In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the color of links on your Weebly page. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site. Once you're in the editor, click the Theme tab at the top of the page. Then select Change Fonts to open your website's typography and styling options. In the left panel, scroll to the General section and select Links. Here, you can customize how links appear across your website. Click the color option next to link color and choose the color you want to use. You can also change the hover color to control how links look when visitors move their mouse over them. Preview your changes to make sure the new colors match your website's design and are easy to read. When you are happy with the results, click Publish to save your changes and update your live website. That's how to change the color of links on a Weebly page. Thanks for watching.